डॉक्टर गुलाब फलारी, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स, जे कॉलेज आरा। आज के मेरे लेक्चर का टॉपिक है एप्लीकेशन ऑफ सिंपल डेरिवेटिव्स in total average and marginal cost curves. It means that how marginal cost can be obtained by applying simple derivatives of total cost function. अर्थात marginal cost को हम कैसे प्राप्त करते हैं सिंपल डेरिवेटिव्स की सहायता से, और मार्जिनल कॉस्ट एवरेज कॉस्ट कैसे मिनिमम होता है, इसके बारे में आज आप लोगों को बताएंगे। सो नाउ लेट अस अज्यूम दैट द टोटल कॉस्ट फंक्शन इज रिप्रेजेंटेड एज ए फंक्शन ऑफ टोटल आउटपुट, दैट इज Q, C equal to function of Q, and the change in the total cost is delta C. While the change in total in quantity produced is delta Q. Now in order to find the change in total cost with the smallest change in the output, assuming here the infinite divisibility and continuity in the output is possible, so amount delta Q is made to approach to zero, then the limit delta Q tends to zero, delta C by delta Q equal to differentiation of total cost with respect to Q is defined as marginal cost denoted by MC. Thus, MC is the first derivatives of the total cost function C equal to function of Q, and total cost function is C equal to function of Q, where Q is the total output. Therefore, AC can be obtained by dividing the total cost function by Q, that is C by Q equal to function of Q by Q. Now suppose we are given a short run total cost of functions. In economics we know that for the sake of simplicity, cost function may be divided in two parts: short run cost function and long run cost function. In the short run cost function, some factors are constant, and in the long run all factors will become variables. So in this example here, C equal to function of Q equal to Q3 minus 3Q square plus 15Q plus 27. Here 27 is the fixed cost. Obtain AC and MC. Now AC can easily be obtained by C by Q equal to Q square minus 3Q plus 15 plus 27 by Q. And when we differentiate C with respect to Q, we get MC, that is 3Q square minus 6Q plus 15. Now let us generalize the total cost function TC equal to C equal to function of Q plus B. Here B is being fixed. From this total cost function, other cost function can be derived as ATC equal to function of Q plus B by Q. AT here, ATC means average total cost. ABC, average variable cost, equal to function of Q divided by Q, AFC equal to average fixed cost B by Q, and when we differentiate total cost function, we get marginal cost function, that is differentiation of C with respect to Q. Now average cost, total cost ATC equal to average variable cost ABC plus average fixed cost AFC in notational form ATC equal to ABC plus AFC or function of Q plus B divided by Q. Now the relationship between average and marginal cost curve. We assume average and marginal cost to have U-shaped like this one, U-shaped. And the relation between them is assumed to be as follows. Number first, when AC falls, जब AC गिरता है, MC is below AC, तो MC AC के नीचे होगा. When AC is minimum, there is equality of AC and MC. When AC rises, MC is more than AC. Now take for example here, the total cost function C within bracket X for producing X units of a commodity is given by C equal to 1 by 3 x per power 3 minus 5x square plus 75x plus 10. And what level of output the marginal cost attains its मिनिमम, अर्थात उत्पादन के किस स्तर पर MC मिनिमम होता है and what is the marginal cost at this level of output production or output production. Now before solving this, first condition for minimum value, number first necessary condition function f1 x equal to 0, sufficient condition second derivative greater than 0, and for maximum value first derivative equal to 0, second derivative less than 0. Now on the basis of this one, minimum values, these two conditions must be satisfied. Now the cost function Cx of x units is given by Cx equal to 1 by 3 x per power 3 minus 5x square plus 75x plus 10. If function of x be the marginal cost function, then function of x equal to differentiation of C with respect to x, that is when we differentiate C with respect to x, we get here x square minus 10x plus 75. Again, for minimum MC, differentiate MC, that is 2x minus 10. For satisfying second conditions, sufficient conditions, we will have to find derivatives of f1x, that is 2.1 equal to 2. Now for the MC, function of x to be minimum, we must have these conditions: function of 1x equal to 0 or 2x minus 10 equal to 0, here x equal to 5. Now test this x equal to 5 for the minimum values at x equal to 5, second derivatives equal to 2 greater than 0, that is second derivative level of out 5 greater than 0, Hence, MC function of x is minimum at x equal to 5. That is at output level of 5 units, and the minimum MC can be obtained by putting the values of 5 in MC function, that is 5 square minus 10.5 plus 75 equal to 50. This is the marginal cost at the level of production. Now come to the second examples here. Let the cost function of a farmer be given by the equation Cx equal to 300x minus 10x square plus 1 by 3x per power 3, where Cx stands for cost function and x for output. Now on the basis of these given total cost function, find output at which MC is minimum. उस उत्पादन स्तर को ज्ञात करना है जहां MC मिनिमम हो. सेम वे जहां पर इसको हम रिपीट दिखाए हैं. Output at which AC is minimum. AC is a minimum, and output at which there is equality of AC equal to MC. Now we have given cost function 3x square minus 10 square plus 1 by 3x cube. If function of x be the marginal cost MC, then function of x equal to x square minus 20x plus 30. Now differentiate again. F1x equal to 2x minus 20. For testing minimum value, we will have to find second derivatives, that is 2. For x, MC to be the minimum, we have function of x equal to 0. This is the condition. Or 2x minus 20 or x equal to 10. At x equal to 10, that is MC is minimum at x equal to 10, that is at output level of 10 units. Now, if another function gx to be the average cost of function AC, then gx equal to cx divided by x equal to, when this one AC here is, now differentiate it, g1x equal to minus 10 plus 2 by 3x. Second derivatives equal to 2 by 3. For another function, that is AC to be minimum, we must have equal to 0 minus 10 plus 2 by 3 into 0 x equal to, that is x equal to here 15 after solving this one. Now putting the values here. In second derivative 2 by 3 greater than 0, that is second derivative 15 greater than 0. Hence AC is minimum at x equal to 15, that is at output level of 15 units. Since, now come to the third question, at what output at which AC is minimum. We have already shown this one, and output at which AC equal to MC. Since AC equal to MC equal is given AC is this one 300 minus 10x plus 1 by 3x square, MC equal to x square minus 2x plus 300. After solving this one, we get here x equal to 15. Hence, the required output at which AC equal to MC is 15 units. That's all.